Hi YouTube. Hi YouTube. So today I'm gonna be eating this whole bag of tacky. I already opened it and it's only a little bit in here. So yeah. So I'm gonna eat this whole bag of Takis. I don't really like Takis, but I don't really like Takis, so see how it tastes. Well, I tasted them before and it was hot, so just gonna taste it. Look at this one. It's skinny. I bet it. Well, these are not like really hot, but my mouth is kind of burning. It's a kind of big one. But my mouth is burning. Not like burning hot, but sorry, I keep looking in the mirror. So I'll be back when I'm half done. Come back and I still have more. Can't really share. Yes, sir.
I don't know who give it to.
Yeah, so maybe I'm gonna save. So maybe I'm gonna save the rest of these for school tomorrow. I think I'm gonna need some water. So that's it for the video. Bye YouTube.